baby human is virtually non-functional, but the one thing they all have, every baby up to a certain age, is they sample the entire world around them with their mouth. Everything, as you know, goes in the baby's mouth, right? So whether it's a new toy you put in front of them or anything around, they put it in their mouth, including their own foot, their own hands, and they soothe themselves by chewing on their own hands and feet and so on. And that is a really important innate behavior that we have to pay attention to. Because imagine what's happening with our ancestral babies, right? They're born in the outside environment, or they're born in caves or huts. They're put in the dirt, they're put in the ground, and babies are sampling the environment around them with their mouth. And as it turns out, some studies have demonstrated that when you get exposure to environmental bacteria early on in those first 2 years of life, the exposure of the environmental bacteria with some of the innate microbes that you get from mom work together to develop that entire gulf, that gut-associated lymphoid tissue that we talked about earlier, where upwards of 80% of all your immune system is. So that just the development of the immune system and the immune tissue, the structures of the immune tissue, are dependent on exposure to the environment.